Okay, first part, use division to show this. Well, we'll use division then. And do t plus 2 dividing into t cubed. But I actually need to make it and put all the values in, so plus 0t squared plus 0t plus 0. And now I can divide it. What do I have to times this, the t plus 2 by to get t cubed? I need to times it by t squared. So I have 1t squared there, and I put it above the t squared bit to make it easier for myself. And that will leave me with t cubed to t squared times t, and plus 2 times t squared, so plus 2t squared. And then subtract that to see what I'm left with. There'll be nothing there, and that'll be minus 2t squared. I'll bring down the next number, which is plus 0t. What do I have to times the t by, or t plus 2 by, to get minus t squared? Obviously it's minus 2t. So that will give minus 2t squared. That's minus 2t times this. And I've got minus 2t times the 2, which gives me minus 4t. Now do a subtraction. And I've got to be careful, 0t minus 4t is 4t. And obviously these cancel out, that's the whole point. Bring down the next one, which is plus 0. What do I have to times the t by to get 4t? The answer is plus 4. So that will give me 4t, and then 4 lots of 2 are plus 8. Take that away, and that will give me minus 8. And therefore, we got the answer as being t cubed over t plus 2 is t squared minus 2t plus 4, and then remainder minus 8. But the remainder also has to be divided by that, so that's why, if you didn't want to write down remainder minus 8, it would be minus 8, and that 8 has also got to be divided by the t plus 2. So that is the answer for the first part. And the second part, I'll get started off on here, and then I'm going to do a second video for it. I've got to do between 1 and 2, 6t squareds and ln t plus 2 respect to t. I've got to put it in terms of numbers and ln 3s and ln 4s. That's helping me to check that I've got the right answer when I get there. And I've got to see what I'm doing here. And I can see immediately that 6t squared is something to do with differentiate 3t squared. The 3t cubed give me 3t squared. Differentiate that, and you've got it's all coming together. We'll integrate 1 over 2t. It gives me this. It's going to be a parts question, and this bit is going to help me work out the first bit. So I'll pause there, and then we'll have a go at the second part. So that's the first part done.